Hello and welcome to this setup video of JS support ticket. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the seamless setup process of this powerful Joomla component. So watch the step-by-step guide to optimize this Joomla component to meet your requirements. First, access the administrator dashboard of your Joomla site. Navigate to the system link on the left menu. Under the install card, click on extensions. This will take you to the extension manager page. Here, different options are available to install the component, but we will install it from the web. Use the search bar to find the component, type JS support ticket, and search for it. Once you locate the component in the list, click on it. Click on Install to begin the installation process. Confirm the installation by clicking the Install button once more. The component will then be successfully installed. Once the component is installed, it will guide you through the initial setup configurations to ensure a seamless start with the JS support ticket. In the general settings, as an administrator, begin by adding the site title and specifying a unique data directory to efficiently manage user data files. Configure the date format to suit your regional or organizational preferences, and set the limit for the number of attachments allowed at a time and file maximum size to upload files. And lastly, decide which file extensions are allowed to attach. Once these general settings are configured, proceed to the next step. In the ticket configurations, administrators have the option to choose whether the ticket ID sequence should be sequential or random. They can also set the number of days for tickets to reopen and auto-close, along with the option to display counts on the My Tickets page. After configuring the settings, click Next to save and complete the initial setup by clicking the Finish button. This will redirect you to the admin dashboard. With all the initial setup steps completed, your JS support ticket is now ready for use. Now, let's discuss the process of adding items to the front-end menu on your website. From your admin dashboard, navigate to the Menus option in the left-hand menu. Choose the specific menu where you wish to add items. Click on the Add New Menu Item button. Provide a title for your menu item and select the type of menu item you want to add from the available options. After selecting the item type, click on the Save and Close button to add it to the menu. Repeat these steps for each additional item you want to include in the menu. Once added, the new menu items will be displayed on your site as configured. Now, let's explore how to update the JS support ticket from the free version to the pro version. Currently, you may notice that some features are not accessible, and to unlock these features, we need to update the plugin. To begin, navigate to the Update option located under the admin links and click on it. On the Update page, paste the plugin update key you have received and click the Start button. Once the key has been successfully processed, choose the JS support ticket version you want to update and click the Continue button. The plugin update has been successful, and all previously inaccessible features are now accessible. Let's now dive into the configurations of JS support ticket, which enable you to customize the plugin according to your specific needs and preferences. First, we will discuss the general configurations and explore how these settings impact the front end. You have the flexibility to configure different options such as date format parameters like ticket auto-close, file maximum size, and allowed image file extensions. Show or hide navigational breadcrumbs links. The navigational breadcrumbs links are now appearing. The file extension type and maximum file size allowed to be attached are according to the configurations. Furthermore, you have the option to display or hide counts on your ticket page. This feature offers a convenient overview of the number of open tickets, closed, and answered, enabling quick monitoring of ticket statuses. The next section in the configurations deals with ticket settings. Here, you'll find the option to allow or disallow visitors from creating tickets. You can also choose whether ticket ID sequences should be sequential or random, as well as set the limit for the maximum number of tickets a user can create. You can see that the ticket ID sequence is random based on the settings. The message on the ticket form indicates that, according to the current settings, a maximum of 50 tickets can be created per day. The next option available to you as an administrator is to set a limit on the total number of open tickets for each user. Decide how long after closing a ticket can be reopened. Administrators can add a ticket creation message that visitors will receive upon submitting the ticket, and similarly, they can add a ticket creation message for their convenience. This message will be displayed at the top of the Create Ticket form. Further, within the ticket settings, you have the option to enable or disable users to respond to closed tickets via email. Once you've configured settings for the ticket, make sure to save them. In the default system email settings, administrators can configure the default alert email address for sending system notifications and the default admin email address to receive administrative emails. In the Mail Settings section, enable or disable the option to send an email to the admin whenever a banned user attempts to create a new ticket. Next, the Ticket Operation Mail Settings empower administrators to configure who will receive the operation emails that are triggered upon performing the following ticket actions. This may include enabling mail notifications for ticket creation, which can be sent to oneself, staff members, and users. The option of enable or disable is not available for the users as they always receive ticket creation mail. Next, you can enable or disable the action mail for ticket reassignment for self, staff members, and users. Similarly, enable or disable operation mail for other available options to customize the email notifications based on specific roles and actions. Lastly, in the Erase Date section, specify who will receive emails for data erase requests, as erase data request emails are not sent to staff members, so this option is not available for them. Similarly, decide whether users receive emails about their deleted data. This option is exclusively for users. The Staff menu setting enables administrators to customize the navigation options displayed on the staff dashboard. Within the Staff Member Control Panel links, options you can show or hide include Open Tickets, My Tickets, Add Role, Roles, Add Staff, Add Department, Add Category, and more. Similarly, administrators can configure the visibility of top menu links such as Home, Tickets, Knowledge Base, Downloads, and more, along with other links. After configuring these options to show or hide and saving the configurations, these navigational links will be available on the staff member dashboard accordingly. And, just like that in the Visitor Menu Settings section, decide which navigation options should be displayed in the User Control Panel and top menu links. The next setting in the configurations is for feedback emails. Administrators can define the type of feedback email delay, either days or hours, as well as the period of sending feedback emails after the ticket closure. Additionally, administrators can show their response message after successfully storing the feedback. To ensure feedback emails are sent to users, remember to enable the feedback email option for users in the mail settings. This step is crucial for users to receive feedback emails after their ticket closures. In the Ticket via Email section, you can enable UTF Auto Switch to ensure proper encoding and display of emails with diverse languages or special characters. Additionally, you can choose whether to allow the system to create tickets via email. Finally, in the Private Credentials section, set your secret encryption key. This key is crucial for encrypting and securing sensitive data, and is the first step in adding private credentials to JS Support Ticket. Keep in mind, changing this value will discard all your existing credentials. By setting up second-level security, you can provide an additional layer of security. This will give your users a more secure environment in which to submit important data. Once you have set up your private secret key and additional layers of encryption, be sure to hit the Save Setting option to ensure that your changes are applied. And with that, administrators can customize JS Support Ticket to meet their specific needs through configuration settings. I hope you have found this video to be helpful and informative. Thanks for watching.